Water and soil are two of the most important elements for plant growth. But did you know that they have a dynamic relationship? The way water interacts with soil directly affects the health of plants. From water retention to nutrient transport, the interaction between soil and water is essential for healthy crop production. In today's video, we'll explore how soil and water interact, why it matters, and how understanding this relationship can improve your farming practices. If you're finding this video helpful and want to learn more about soil and water management, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's dive into the world of soil and water interactions. Soil is like a sponge. It absorbs and holds water. But not all soils behave the same way. The way water moves through soil depends on the soil's texture, structure, and organic content. 1. Infiltration. When it rains or when you irrigate, water first enters the soil through a process called infiltration. Soils with large particles, like sandy soils, allow water to move in quickly, while finer particles, like clay, slow down the process. 2. Percolation. Once water infiltrates the soil, it moves downward through the soil layers, a process called percolation. In well-structured soil, this helps water reach the root zones of plants, providing them with moisture to grow. Water retention is another crucial factor that determines how well plants grow. The soil structure plays a key role in retaining water for plant use. 1. Soil texture. Different soil textures affect water retention. Sandy soils drain water quickly, meaning they don't hold moisture well. On the other hand, clay soils retain water for a longer period but can become compacted, reducing root growth. Loamy soils, a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay, provide the best of both worlds. They retain enough water for plants while allowing for good drainage. 2. Organic matter. Adding organic matter like compost or manure to the soil increases its ability to retain water. Organic matter acts like a sponge, holding moisture that plants can access during dry spells. One fascinating phenomenon that occurs in soils is capillary action. This is when water moves upward through small spaces in the soil against gravity to reach plant roots. Capillary rise. Capillary rise allows plants to access water even if it is not directly on the surface. This is particularly important in loamy soils, which have small enough pores for capillary action to occur, but are not so small that water gets trapped and unavailable. Improper water management can negatively affect soil health. If there's too much water or improper irrigation, waterlogging can occur, suffocating plant roots and leading to poor growth. 1. Waterlogging. Waterlogging occurs when the soil cannot drain water properly, often in clay-heavy soils. This leads to a lack of oxygen in the soil, harming plant roots and preventing healthy plant growth. 2. Soil erosion. On the other hand, poor water retention can lead to soil erosion, especially in areas with heavy rainfall. When water flows too quickly over soil, it can wash away the topsoil, taking away essential nutrients and organic matter. In conclusion, the interaction between soil and water is crucial for plant health and growth. Understanding how water moves through soil, how soil texture affects water retention, and how organic matter helps maintain moisture can make a huge difference in crop yields. Proper water management ensures that plants get the right amount of moisture without damaging the soil. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. How do you manage water in your fields? Share your tips and experiences with us in the comments.